Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is New Year's. Happy New Year's to everyone, 2022. And today is my Fabulous Saturday edition. So I did not do a lot of the sales that they had like right after Christmas because I was working a lot of hours at work, and then I had my fabulous grandchildren, and my husband and I, we dropped them off at the airport, I want to say Thursday night, and for the last 2 days they haven't been here, so I am trying to get the house back organized, getting all this Christmas decorations down because I started decorating in October and I was just tired of it, so that's what I'm working on. So I have 3 fabulous stores that I went to, which was my Home Goods, Hobby Lobby, and Roses. So let's get into the video. Y'all may see this crazy fly that is flying around because I had the door open trying to bring stuff in. So never to hoot, let me show you what I picked up today on my fabulous shopping trip. So we're gonna start at Home Goods. And isn't this beautiful? So I found this for $8. I thought this was going to be very nice for my collection. It's gold and silver and white. So this will be nice for the gold rush coming up this summer, or the all white party. So I got that. $8, not bad. Paper out the way. And I'm going to show you the bigger items first, and then I'm going to show you the full price stuff that I found. Turntable, and this thing is heavy. $15. Can you believe that? $15, regularly $20. And I have never even seen these for $20 at Home Goods. This thing is heavy, heavy, heavy. So this will be a nice addition to my collection of marble pieces when we get ready to start doing our kitchen. This will be pretty turntable on my counter, and you'll see it again in another video. I'm just trying to push through because I do have a lot to show you. Next, I found these gold measuring spoons, and they were on clearance for $2.50. I thought these were cute, and I did find some Christmas things, but I can use these all year round. These would have went nice for my cookie making thing with the kids, and these were $2. And they are like the powdered sugar or flour, I forget what you call them, spindles? Let's see what they call them on here. Oh, the flour sifter. And then it says, let us know. And I got 3 of them for $2 a piece. These are gonna go really nice next Christmas. I'm gonna keep one out just for me to use. I don't do a lot of sifting, but this will be great for baking, and then perhaps thinning out the confectional sugar that I like to have on my pancakes and French toast bread. So $2 for these, very good deal. And then I seen these last year, but I didn't get them, but I got them this year, and these were $6.99. They are the heart-shaped little bowls or plates, and this is going to be for my Valentine's table. I thought they were really nice. And lastly, from Home Goods, they had the big giant one of these, and if you're a Home Goods shopper, you know these can run you a couple dollars. I got the smaller one for $12.99, and it says champagne, this is going to be fabulous. And as you can see right there in the box, my husband's supposed to be getting up and doing my lovely gift that my son bought me, which is my bar cart. So once we get that set up, you'll be seeing the video of that, and then I'll be able to display all my fabulous bar items. So I thought this was really cute. And it's like a mini, you could, you know, it says champagne, you could put a little ice and put your champagne in it. I wish it came with a scooter, so I'm gonna be on the lookout for like a mercury or a stainless steel scooper for this. $12.99. So with all my little goodies that I just showed you, one receipt was $24.61 and another was $24. So I spent about $48 and treated myself, you know, because I've been buying for the kids, and now it's really time for me to focus and start getting my house together. So that was about a $50 items, but I've really got a lot of nice stuff and nice, elegant, and heavy duty items. All right, so we're gonna move into Hobby Lobby. I am starting not liking Hobby Lobby anymore. Everything is really overpriced, and being that you can't use the coupons no more, I don't really do a lot of Hobby Lobby, but I had to go just to see what they had today. So they had the 75% off on Christmas, and I thought these were cute. I'm starting to get into collecting a lot of salt and pepper shakers, so I got the little Santa Claus, the gray and white, and these were regularly $7.99, 75% off. I believe I only paid $2 for this little set, and these are cute. This is what it looks like. So these would be nice for like a tier tray next Christmas. I can do my cinnamon and nutmeg in these. So I found these, and then I came across these little glitter drink glasses. They're melamine. I got it in the purple, the gold, of course, for me, and like a rose gold. And these were $2.24. So I got these for me and the girls for the summer to sit out, you know, in the spa, or if I put the pool back up, we'll have these for our little refreshments outside. I didn't think that was a bad deal. And then they have the artificial flowers. I love me a beautiful bouquet of flowers. So I broke down and I got some pretty floral arrangements. These are 50% this week. I got this one. These were $4.99, but with the 50%, they mark them down to $2.50. So I got 3 sets of these. And they're like that navy purplish color roses. And then I just got one big one. And this was $6.99, but again 50% off, $3.50. And you'll see these being arranged. I'm gonna add white roses to these, and this is gonna be a beautiful floral arrangement in my new bathroom. So that's what I got at Hobby Lobby today. Now I am running into 9 minutes and 31 seconds. I think I'm gonna do a part 2. I think I could fit it in. So I treated myself because I know you guys are always tired of me walking around in pajamas, but with my back and my neck injury, that's what I'm comfortable in. But I have to have like flexible clothes when I am in the house. So I just went to Rose's and I found, I'm into the leggings. So I just got a pair of gray leggings. These were $7.99. I got them in gray, and I got them in blue. Now I have almost every color of these. I just can't find them. I think there's still a winter, 2 winter crates out in the garage where my like gym flexible clothes are at. All my good clothes are, of course, are hanging up. And then I just got me 2 t-shirts. These are the thin material. Can't stand anything hot, so I got it in purple and in white. They're putting the shirts out. If you guys have a roses and you're trying to find them, these are $3.99. And these is just to sit, in the house or run out grocery shopping. That's what I got them for. And next at Roses, I got a lid cover. They were $2.99. It's for the bathroom. And they had the hand towels. They were 50 cents a piece. So I got 4 of these that go in my kitchen. 2 for the stove and 2 for my dishwasher. And what else did I get at Home Goods? Next, I am going to try to lift this up because I don't want to get up, but they had this beautiful gray, I love the fabric. It is a bench with the gold at the bottom. And I could not believe when I saw that. I had to check out. I had to hurry up and check all my bank accounts and see if I had some extra money. And these were $40, y'all, $39.99. Where are you finding something like this fabulous for 40 bucks? Now, they had it in the gray and they had it in the royal blue. But because my bathroom is kind of on the silver and white color scheme that I'm going for, I opted to get the gray. And because the chair that I have in there actually goes to the dining room set table that goes outside. So I'm going to pull that chair out, and this is going to be a beautiful addition to my bathroom. Now next I found, let me turn you around, I found the Fisher speaker. These are going, anywhere from $80 to $100. It has the stand, the microphone, the remote control, and as you can see over there in the corner, I already have one that I bought about 2 years ago, and child, I did not pay no $40 for that. I believe I got that for maybe $80 or $90, but I did get it at Roses. I don't know if someone made a mistake, and but I mean, it was a whole display of them, and I'm trying to see if they have the ticket on it. Nope, they don't have the ticket on it, but these were $40. And the good thing about, if you get the same brand, you can connect 2 of them together, which is going to go fabulous here when I am cleaning. So these are fabulous, when you're cleaning, having a party, and I love my music. Ooh, excuse me, I was just choking. So I'm going to set it up here in the front room so I can have 2 speakers side by side and kind of like a surround sound. I know my brother was telling me I have to get some type of cord to go in my 70-inch TV that's on the wall. And when I'm watching a fabulous movie, be able to blast it. And when I get paid this week coming up, I'm going back to get another one. That way I have one out in the garage, and I can always, make that one mobile to place in the, the different areas of the yard, especially when I do movie night with my projector. This is going to be perfect. So I'm going to end it here, and I hope you guys had a fabulous Christmas and a happy New Year. And I will see y'all probably in about 2 weeks. I have some video footage of some upgrades that I have been doing around the house. And I am just taking a break from YouTube, and I hope you do too. And as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all very soon. Y'all have a happy new year. Be prosperous and have great health. Bye-bye.